Welcome back to another awesome video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing about the recent update on the Ari Wallet. Now, for those of you that don't know anything about Ari Wallet, I have actually made a previous video explaining it to you guys. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the recent update that has been posted about 8 hours ago, which you can basically see right from here. Now, Ari Wallet registration is scheduled for late October to early November. Alright, and you can see right over here, this is submit your EVM wallet address and Discord nickname. All right, now in the app you have to submit your Ari wallet and your EVM wallet address together. This order will be launched through the future upgrade, right? So all we basically just need to do right now is just to wait. So you can see why this update will be launched through the future upgrade plan for late October to early November. Now, this is one thing I want you all to know. If you do not understand what EVM basically is, EVM stands for Ethereum Virtual Machine. This is just like your Ethereum network, and you're going to be needing two wallets. All right, you see that you are using one of them. If you're using Trust Wallet or you're using a MetaMask. Now, for me, I basically use Trust Wallet. All right, so if I come over to my phone, I type in Trust Wallet. I'm going to be displaying my Trust Wallet right over here. I also have MetaMask, right? But I'm going to be using Trust Wallet. Now, I know a lot of people use Trust Wallet, all right? You can use any of these. So we're going to be going over straight to our Trust Wallet. And for a fact, what you need to do is that once you're on your Trust Wallet, right, you can either have multiple accounts, same way I'm actually having multiple accounts right over here, all right? Now, if you're on your Trust Wallet, what you just need to do is to come over to where they say Manage Crypto, all right? Now, by clicking on the Manage Crypto, you can type in Ethereum. Now, once you're able to type in Ethereum, you're going to be able to see a lot of Ethereum network, which is going to be provided. You can select the network right over here, and all you have to do is just to select it. Now, the main official Ethereum automatically gets to pop up at the top right here for you. Click on to bring it out, and then what you need to do is just to step in and click on the receive, and then get to like copy out your Ethereum wallet address. Now, that is basically all. Once you're able to do this, you're automatically going to be able to copy out your wallet address, and you're going to be able to submit it with your Ari wallet. All right, so if you go over to your Ari wallet, all right, now if you come over to your Ari account right over here, you have an option to basically copy out your Ari wallet. You have the send, you have the contract, and every other single thing. I'm going to be displaying that to you guys. All right, it's important for you all to basically know about this update, because after making a series of posts, I went to their Discord page right over here, and after I made a series of posts, all right, going to their Discord page, all right, what I did was I made a request to know when we're basically going to be able to kind of like start dropping our wallet address for this particular post. All right, and they give me a response, which I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys. All right, the response was for us to wait for the official date, and at the same time, what we're supposed to do is to add Arichain to our name. Now, let me show you guys a proof of that. If I head over straight to my photos right over here, and I click on this, you're basically going to be seeing right here, this is their response to me. So I asked, when are we submitting our Ari wallet? All right, so you can see, kindly add Arichain to your DC display name, and you can see right here, wait for your official announcement. All right, so wait for official announcement, and they also said it again. All right, so you have to basically have a Discord app. If you do not have a Discord app, please do make sure to go download your Discord app right now and come over to your name, and you can basically see right now, this is where you can basically see your official display name right on the spot. All right, you can automatically come over here and add Arichain. All right, so you can just type in Arichain and get to save it up. All right, so once you're automatically adding Arichain into your name, that is the first important thing you need to do. And once you're able to add Arichain into your name, then you can follow up and either copy out your nickname. All right, so the nickname is very important. You can go and submit your nickname. All you have to do is to get their Discord account. All you basically need to do to get their Discord account is for you to come to the Ari wallet. Now, once you're on the Ari wallet, remember where we have the general, we have the daily, we have the collapse. If you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see right here where they say join Discord. Click on the go icon right over here. Automatically this pops up, and you're going to be able to access their server. Now, on their server, they have over 422,555 members, and over 6,000 people are active right now. If you click on it, you come over here, you're going to be able to see the Arichain logo right over here. All you have to do is to click on it, and then you're going to be able to send access to be able to type in the group. All right. Now, once you're over here, you can ask any question about Arichain, and they are going to respond to you as fast as possible. And also, you can scroll down to see recent post information and every other single thing that is going on. A lot of people are active right here, and if you need assistance, just make sure to communicate with the admin, and they'll assist you as much as possible. So what you basically just need to do is to follow up with every single information that I'm dropping about the Arichain, and you're going to be good. All right. So make sure to have the application downloaded on your mobile phone, and also make sure to join their Telegram. All right. Get all the information you basically need to get, and make sure to stay tuned. All right. So as of yesterday, I made a post about this. You can basically see right now this partnership that Ari Wallet actually made yesterday, and I made a video explaining it to a lot of people yesterday. And if you did not get access to that, you can get access to that already by clicking right here and following them. You're going to be able to aim some extra point right to your ARI balance, all right, which you can basically see. Now, for you to get more information about this, stay tuned, share the video out, and also do not forget, I will keep updating you guys on the latest update. Stay tuned, and also make sure to share the video with your friends, guys. Peace.